I can't see shit. Okay. Online vision tests. Take these 4 vision screenings before your next eye exam. This is my eye exam. Who needs to go to the doctor, am I right? Check your vision. Please read and accept before you start. I can't even read that. How am I supposed to accept it if I can't read it? Turn your screen brightness all the way up for the most accurate results. I am not going to do that because I am going to go blind if I turn the brightness all the way up on this computer. To adjust the screen size, place a card on the frame and use the slider to align... What? Be prepared. Wear your glasses or contacts if you have it. What? Wear your glasses? I did this so that way I wouldn't have to wear glasses. Cover your left eye, okay? My at arm's length. This right here is arm's length to my computer. So this should work. Oh, I have to cover my left eye. Whoops. Oh my god, that looks like an S, but actually I see it. Oh no. Is that up? Okay, is it this one? Okay, that was actually pretty easy. I was able to see that pretty well. This? Why am I doing good? I should not be doing this good. I can't even see it. Like, half the circle is missing. I don't know which one that was, man. At the top? Oh, it was. I blinked. At the right? What? Cover my right eye. Okay. So, where's the typing test? I thought this video was gonna be about a type. Okay, hold on. Chill your goddamn sack out, alright? I just wanted to take a vision test before I take the actual test, alright? Don't worry, it's not gonna take that long. We're just gonna... Jimmy, why the fuck are you playing the video? I'm busy Vision talking, on you one eye stupid seems bitch. to be reduced. Left is bad, right is mediocre. Oh, contrast vision check. Alright, cover my left eye. Okay. Didn't I just do this? Oh, it's the opacity test. This is actually pretty easy. I can still see that pretty well. Okay, never mind. Those were literally just guesses. That's not true. That is not accurate at all. Half of those were guesses, man. Keep both eyes open. Okay, I'm not colorblind, but I might be. I can't even see the number options. No, I can a little bit. 45. 5. What? Is it 9? Is that supposed to be 9? What? Your color vision seems to be fine. Seems to be fine? Stigmatism checked? Oh god. Okay, I can't even see the directions on here. Do all the lines look like they're the same shade of black? Yes. Visual acuity. Color vision. Well, I mean, that one color wasn't fair. This is actually not true. It's reduced in both eyes. That is why I have glasses on. Let's try the typing test out now. medium text. I don't even know what website I'm on. Are these like... These look like cool math games. This kind of stuff I played in like 5th grade. What kind of website am I on? Medium text, 1 minute test. Alright, here we go. It's actually, I have to see how big the words are. Okay, this is actually kind of easy. Yeah, 40. I could have more if I practiced. That's all I'm gonna say. It's not bad for someone without practice. Oh my kidding, it's the worst fucking shit ever. Alright, let's go to tests. Let's take the hard test and let's back up just a tiny bit, alright? Let's try and get 100% accuracy from far away on hard text. Let's go. Oh god. I already saw that word for in a changing? Oh no, what is that one? That looks like a C for the first. Is that? Oh, I saw that word before. Okay. M-I-L-L-I-O-N-I-S-M. Sarah, think that... Oh, is it think? That her I didn't even do it. Oh yeah, this is time for 1 minute. Okay, retake the test. I got this. Of his the you 201K Joel Starshul. What? Okay, I saw that first word. I might need more time for these tests, honestly. Raft. A page. That. Disease. Guarantee. Did I not spell that right? Okay, I need to give myself more time for this because Jesus God. Alright, let's give myself 5 minutes. Oh my god, I can't see shit, man. Okay, I'm gonna go to the easy test. I did better than the hard test. I got the exact same amount of accuracy as I did it last time I did this test. Okay, I'm gonna try this test one more time. Some of these words I can actually get because I can use the context from the previous word to form a sentence in my brain. But the only thing I can use is my brain. I can't use my eyes because I can't see shit. I can't see shit. Okay, here we go. Tricky spelling. The tricky spelling test. This will be amazing. Tricky spelling. This is gonna be perfect. do some tricky spelling, god damn it. If you get stock, it will surely swallow you out. But all that looks like an A. That complements her. What the fuck does that say? What the hell does that say? I don't. That complements her what? Mannequins sweating, sketching, stretching, sketching, sketching, cartridge, cartilage, cottage, cartage, carriage. Oh, it's a carriage. Mary has been ambivalent, ambivert, what the fuck is that word? Administration. You took a instraption. She took a in Arapagatress. Suffragement. Autism. Neuro suggestion. I don't know what this says. Surreption. That I didn't even like spell that right. I just pressed a bunch of keys on accident. Whoops. Continuously. Oh my god, that took forever. Jesus God, like my brain. I'm like yawning and everything. Alright, I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna do one more tricky spelling. It's gonna be for like 3 minutes this time because I'm gonna end up falling asleep trying to decipher all of these words in my brain. My brain is completely working overtime because I have no idea what the hell I'm typing. And I can't even see when I'm making mistakes either. I can't even do that. I don't know. This is... This was the weirdest idea I've ever had. Okay, let's do tricky spelling again. I'm gonna do like 3 minutes. What the hell did I just spell? What the hell is Bree War? What is that word? Intergalactic? Instant magnetism? Incomprehend. God. Fuck. That was the last test. I am now done with this because I have to use the bathroom and I also have to go to bed. That's pretty early. I'm not gonna go to bed.